Turkey! Alright my guys, Budger and Awunya. We're going to Darkanyang Nurrawa, heading back up into Jillaby State Conservation Area. Same spot you saw recently with Jerry from Jerry's Ramblings. This time I'm heading up with Nathan in his Navara. We're going to have a little bit of a explore and look around while we're up here. Bit of a camp and just basically relax. So I've just aired down, Nathan's still doing his tyres, so yeah, we'll be on the tracks in a minute, and yeah, stick with us guys and hope you enjoy the video. They're not old tracks. Doesn't look like it's going to be too slippery. So if I stick to the right hand side, I'll avoid most of the hard stuff. Nathan's having a whinge. So, this little spot that I come camping to, you've seen it in videos before, and there's a little dam just here. And I know for a fact that there's yabbies in there. So this time around I actually brought my trap with me. I actually brought two, one for each of us. And I brought some baits. So I'm going to throw these in and try my luck and see if we might be able to scavenge up a couple of yabbies to go with dinner. But they're only cheap, crappy Kmart bloody traps. But, you know, if I can catch something with them, I'll be happy. And now we just wait until nearly dinner time. It's 11:30 now. Hang on. Or have I not changed my clock? It's 12:30 now. So we wait till about dinner time and see if there's any yabbies in there. If not, we'll throw it back in them and check it again tomorrow morning. Maybe yabby for lunch. And we'll try and catch it. Now, I don't know if you can actually see this on camera or not, but at the bottom of that tree there's like a black lump. It's a little echidna sitting there. Don't want to disturb it too much, but I'll get in and see if I can get a better look.
It's a free roll. You just like singing Jack.
Yeah, that's not fucking real good, that's for sure. Very well. It's the kitchen bitch. Glad he's cooking it because I hate cooking chicken at the best of times.
Might look good, best alright.
Oh, I bet it will.
I can't tell the difference between the King's ones and the fucking Kmart ones. Except for I've got a remote for the Kmart ones.
There we go, now we've got the fucking party lights going.
Oh, I still can turn this one off now. So this one's got 10, 20, 40, 60, 80, 100%. Or you can turn them up and down on that.
Yeah, well, this one's dimmable. Like with the strobe, for example. Put strobe back on. I can adjust the speed of it.
You can't adjust the brightness.
Can't adjust the brightness on that. But if I wanted to go just to the white, I can adjust it that way.
That looks more blue than white, but anyway.
Yeah, well. cooking meat. Back in the fridge. So we left the yabby traps in overnight last night, and as you just saw, I got a few out of one trap. Nathan's just bringing the other one down now, so we'll have a look at that and see how it goes. There's a couple of decent sized ones. My grandfather wants a couple for a fish tank, so I'm probably going to keep a couple of the smaller ones for him, but otherwise they're just going to go back in the water. What? Are you serious? There's one in there?
Only one.
The big ones that were in there all got out?
One down.
Buggers! Oh yeah, one tiny little bugger in here. Ah, you got me. You got me. Get out, you bugger. Come on. Out you get. Yeah, out you get. Without all the bloody rotten chicken. And chicken can go back in and go in the bin. In there. On later. So yeah, there's a couple in there, but as I said, I'll keep a couple of small ones, or smaller ones for pop, and then I'll put the big ones back so they can spawn and grow bigger, and maybe one day we'll be able to eat them. It's only a little fella. Hey fella. So guys, we've just come down to have a look at Mews Lookout. There used to be a little picnic area in that there. It's all bollarded off and everything now and gated. They've pulled the picnic tables out and everything else. So I don't know what's happening with it. It's clearly been ripped up by a dozer, not just idiots in four-wheel drives. It's clearly been ripped up by a dozer. So yeah, not sure what's happening with it. Hopefully they do something with it and turn it into a campground or do up a better picnic area or something, but yeah. Now we're taking on a bit of a walking trail. There's supposed to be a really good lookout here somewhere, and I've never been here, so we're going to tackle that and go for a walk. So, as you just saw, that was a very steep climb down, and what goes down must go up. So yeah, we've decided we're going to head back to the car. I'm not tackling that. Bummer, but anyway, here's what it is. So this is what I was saying, guys. Look, definitely had trail bikes in here ripping it up, but this has been ripped up by a bulldozer to make that mound. This is soft as. So I have to say, this is not four-wheel drives or motorbikes closing it off. This is National Parks or whoever's running this area. It's them closing this section off for sure. Bit of a bummer, but anyway, it was a nice little picnic area. Alrighty guys, well that's it for us this weekend. I hope you've enjoyed it. Fun part I got now is on the way here yesterday I got pulled over for an RBT, and if you have a look at my back driver's side tyre, it's not looking too good. So the coppers had a bit of a word to me about that, so now I've got a spare on before I hit tarmac and head back out of here. Alright guys, again, if you've liked the video, please leave a like and subscribe if you haven't already. And yeah, take care, peace, and as always, I'll see you on the tracks. Ciao no. Down and under. Well, that didn't work. Not at all.
Lucky we got another bottle jack here.
Hey, thanks for watching. If you haven't subscribed already, please click here to do so. And check out the video up here, it's actually related to this video. Cheers, and I'll see you on the tracks.